Hello everyone. So after changing the Twitter's logo from bird to doors, so people, most of the people maybe don't like that, and those who are not fond of that doors icon, definitely you are looking for some way. Somehow I figured out a way by using the simple CSS from my browser. So I'm going to share with you right now. This is a very easy trick, and I will give you the code so that you can replace that code easily. So here you can see this is the new Twitter logo. So if you want to remove that, you have to do some simple CSS trick. So I am using this Chrome extension. So I am enabling this. So you can see now change that. How I can achieve this? I am opening this. This is the code I have found. This is the this is the code. This is I have found, and you have to replace that. And this is the image I have collected from the my profile picture. Where did you get the link? You will find the link here. This is my profile picture, you can see. And you have to dig down a bit more. You will get this link. Copy that link and just paste the link here, and it all work like this. So if you refresh the page, still right there, so nothing gonna happen. So that's it, my dear friends. If you find that useful, then definitely you can share with your friends. Take care. Bye bye.